Hello everyone. In this video I am going to talk about a canal system, that is asconoid type of canal system. The important features of the asconoid structure are the simple wall and the complete continuous lining epithelium of choanocytes interrupted only by the inner ends of the porocytes. The asconoid type of sponge superficially resembles a typical gastrula. Asconoid type of canal system is the simplest of all types of canal system. In this, there is a radially symmetrical vase-like body consisting of a thin wall enclosing a large central cavity, the spongocoel, opening at the summit by the narrow osculum. This one is osculum, which is connected to the exterior of the body. The wall is composed of an outer and inner epithelium with a mesenchyme between. This is mesenchyme. The outer or dermal epithelium, here termed epidermis, consists of a single layer of flat cells. The inner epithelium lining the spongocoel is composed of choanocytes. These black color cells is choanocyte cells. The mesenchyme contains skeletal spicules and several types of amoebocytes, all embedded in the gelatinous matrix. The wall of the asconoid sponge is perforated by numerous microscopic apparatus termed incurrent pores or ostia. These pores are named as ostia or incurrent pores, which extend from the external surface to the spongocoel. Water are generally coming through these pores and going to the spongocoel, and from spongocoel to the osculum, and water going out. Each pore is intracellular, that is, it is a canal through a tubular cell called a porocyte. The water current impelled by the flagella of the choanocytes passes through the incurrent pores into the spongocoel and out through the osculum. Water from exterior coming into the spongocoel through dermal pores, then internal ostia, then spongocoel, then osculum, from osculum to the exterior, or water going out. Asconoid type of canal system is found only in few sponges like Olynthus and Leucosolia. Here I am finishing describing the asconoid type of canal system. Thank you.